guys, welcome back. So today's video, today we actually had planned to go to Old Port originally, but the thing is that on the way there, just to get there, there was like a lot of traffic. It was taking us at least 20 minutes when it should take us at least like 10 minutes only. So yeah, the lineup was just too long, so we just changed of plans. And anyways, usually spontaneous plans are better than planned ones, so yeah, we'll see what we'll do. So here you can see all the traffic. This is all like the line just to take the exit that's closest to the Old Port. But yeah, we were not down to do that, so we just skipped all over this. But it's weird because usually it's not this much traffic just to go to Old Port. Like, we've been there a couple of times and usually just takes us 10 minutes anyway. So yeah, maybe, I don't know, something happened or accident or lane closure. Also, as you can see, like this idiot right in front of us, a lot of people were super cranky this day. I don't know what's going on with everyone, but yeah, a lot of people were just cutting us and like no warnings, no signals, no nothing. So you gotta be extra vigilant out here, especially going to downtown. This car in front of us had such a funny sticker on the back. I thought it was pretty funny, and it's true. If you know, you know. So yeah, that's the Champlain Bridge, where we normally go up to watch the fireworks in summertime. On the way there, we saw this thing going on, like it was like a band playing out or something. But yeah, we decided to go to this restaurant, this Poutine restaurant that we're gonna show you. So we forgot to go back and check the band out. I saw this pretty nice graffiti that someone did on the wall. It's of that Afghan girl a photographer took back in the 90s, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was a pretty famous picture. But that picture caused a lot of issues in that lady's life. So here we're at the restaurant. We're standing in line outside waiting for our turn.
गाइस जब मैं शुरू में कनाडा आया था तब मैं इस रेस्टोरेंट में आया था. लेट्स सी शायद वही टेस्ट दोबारा मिले. देखते हैं.
So my friend actually found this restaurant a couple of years ago when he first came to Canada. Some of his friends showed him this restaurant, but yeah, it's been a while since he came back here. So since our plans changed, he said like, why not we just go try that restaurant? So I said sure. And he was pretty excited to see my reaction also because he likes their poutine, so he thought that I would like their poutine as well. My reviews for this restaurant, I'm gonna be honest, I think their system is a little bit weird. I don't know why. Like when we're in line, there was two people behind us, but for some reason they gave their order before us. Like, I don't know, they got mixed up over there or something, but it was weird. But anyways, after that, also like it's a Portuguese restaurant, so when they speak French, they have like a little bit of an accent. Well, I don't know, cause we got a chicken poutine, but the lady asked me if I wanted to add chorizo, something like that, like on the poutine. I asked her what is it, and she was saying, I'm gonna say it in English, but she was saying it's chicken weight. So I was like, what? So I was like, okay, I thought she was saying it's just like some extra more meaty chicken or something. So I said, okay, sure. And then when I got the poutine, I saw there was like these bits of something, and I was like, this doesn't look like chicken, and maybe it's either beef or something else. So anyways, I ended up so I started removing all the pieces because I was like, this doesn't look right. So then I googled chorizo and I found out it's pork sausage. So yeah, that was not good. If you guys ever go there, make sure you say no to the chorizo if you don't eat pork. But overall, the poutine was good. Like, the chicken was nice and the sauce and fries and everything was good. Okay, I don't know what happened here, but when we came to Mont-Royal, there was like a group of Arab guys, and they were on the side like barbecuing stuff. So me and my friend were making a funny joke. We were saying that like the fire trucks are here because of them, like the smoke of their food or something. I don't know, we were just like making silly comments about it. But anyways, this is good old Mont-Royal. I always come here at nighttime, but like I'm gonna come here still in the daytime, especially during fall, because I have like a nice park and like you can walk around and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Also, I thought it looked really pretty out there with the moon in the back, like shining. So yeah. My friend asked me if I wanted to go on the drive-by side, like the lookout side, and I said sure, let's go. But then when we got there, it was just like a lineup of cars, so we said like let's just leave. But yeah, the side is pretty nice also. But yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna come back with some more videos soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you guys turn on your bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Bye.